Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. The product of the reaction is when methyl isocyanate is heated for a long time. Product choices are A. Methylamine, B. Nitromethane, C. Methanol, D. Methyl cyanide. Answer is D. Methyl cyanide. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is methyl isocyanide. When heated for a long time, the methyl group migrates to the carbon. The negative charge moves here and the bond shifts accordingly. So the product is methyl cyanide. Thank you for watching this video.